Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some more word problems today. We are going to do some problems that are called collection problems. And there are a few strategies that we can use to solve them. One strategy is called either using a fact family or breaking apart the number. It's called a break apart drawing, where you would put the total up here and the partners or add-ins down here. You can also do the solution and situation equations like we did yesterday. So let's take a look at some examples. I'd like you to open up to page 127. It says discuss collection problems. About in the middle of the page is number 1. It says Elizabeth's mother picked 9 blue flowers and 7 red flowers. How many flowers did Elizabeth's mother pick? So if we know that she had 9 blue flowers and 7 red flowers, what we're missing is the total. So we could have also written it this way. She had 9 blue flowers plus 7 red flowers equal, I'm just going to put F for flowers. So we need to figure out what the missing variable is. What is 9 plus 7? If you got 16, you are correct. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says a fruit bowl contains 18 pieces of fruit. Of these, 13 are apples and the rest are bananas. How many are bananas? So this one's a little different. We have our fruit bowl, and we know that there are 18 pieces in it. We know that 13 of them are apples, but we don't know how many are bananas. So we know 18 equals 13 plus, I'm going to say B for bananas, because that's what we don't know. Well, in order to solve that, we need to think, okay, 13 plus what would get me to 18? Did you get 5? If you did, you are correct. So you should have that written down for numbers 1 and 2. And then I'd like you to flip over. We're going to do one more together on the back. So on the back, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 word problems. I'll do, like I said, one with you, and then the rest you can finish on your own. Number 3 says, a stamp collection contains 19 domestic stamps and 40 foreign stamps. How many stamps does the collection contain in all? Now, here is the thing. We cannot just write the answer. We're either going to make a break apart drawing or we're going to write an equation with a variable. I'm going to show both up here. So for a break apart drawing, I might say we had 90 domestic stamps and 40 foreign stamps. And what we want to know is how many are there in all. The other way we could write this is we could have written an equation and said, okay, 90 plus 40 equals, I'm going to say T for total. And then we need to solve it. T equals 130. So you can either show it this way or this way, but you need to have one of those ways of showing your work for all of these problems. When you're done, you'll go on to do the homework page, which is some more practice problems. And on the remembering, listen carefully. you are going to do numbers 1 through 18. You do not need to do 19 and 20. So all of this is on your learning board. You're going to finish page 128, and then you're going to do the homework page and 1 through 18 on the remembering. Let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you soon.